Welcome back to the channel where today I'm starting a brand new Amazon KDP business from scratch. If you've been curious about how to create passive income through self-publishing, stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you step by step. Whether you've got zero design skills, no idea where to begin, or you've tried but haven't seen success yet, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to get started and start building your own Amazon KDP empire. So grab your notebook, your coffee, and let's dive into the exciting world of KDP. Step 1. Finding your niche. First things first, we need to find a niche and a winning product. The niche you choose can make or break your KDP business, so we're going to be smart about it. Think of niches as little pockets of opportunity. Let's say, for example, you're into cooking. A great product in this niche could be a recipe book, or if you're passionate about mental health, you could create a gratitude journal. Educational niches are huge too. Things like activity books for kids are a consistent seller. Now, whatever niche you decide to dive into, the key is that it must sell all year round. We're not looking for seasonal one-hit wonders. We want products that bring in consistent passive income every single month. Personally, I'm loving the activity books niche. It's always trending, parents are always looking for educational materials, and there's so much potential for creativity here. Just to give you an idea, one activity book that was published just 23 days ago is already estimated to be making between $500 to $1,000 per day. Crazy, right? Step 2. Realistic expectations. Before we go further, let me bring you down to earth for a sec. Yes, that book is making bank, but don't expect that on day one. Building a successful KDP business takes time, patience, and strategy. That said, let's talk about what product we're going to create together. Coloring books, sure, they're a popular option, but guess what? With over 70,000 results for coloring books alone on Amazon, the competition is fierce. So we need to get more creative. Step 3. Finding a low competition niche. Here's where the magic happens. After some research, I found something exciting, a scissor skills activity book. What's that, you ask? It's an educational book designed to help kids improve their cutting skills by practicing with different shapes and lines. If you have kids or know someone who does, you've probably seen these kinds of books before. Now, why is this niche a winner? Well, scissor skills books have low competition and high search volume. It's an evergreen educational product that parents and teachers are constantly buying. Plus, I've found some really promising products in this niche that are doing well. Step 4, how to stand out. So, how do we stand out from the competition? Here's where we get creative. I've noticed that most scissor skills books on the market are black and white. What if we created a full color version? That would definitely catch parents' eyes, but there's more. By reading through negative reviews, I discovered a common complaint. Most of these books are too simple and repetitive. We're going to fix that by designing our book with 3 levels of difficulty. Level 1, simple lines and basic graphics for beginners. Level 2, slightly more complex shapes like circles and triangles. Level 3, full-page graphics that really challenge kids to improve their skills. It's time to roll up our sleeves and start designing. Step 5. Designing your product, paid and free methods. I'm going to show you 2 ways to find a niche and verify a winning product. A paid method and a free method. Paid method. My favorite tool for this is Bookbeam. It's super easy to use. Just open up the niche finder, select new high-selling books, and adjust the ratings to a max of 50. This will give you a list of new books that are crushing it in sales but aren't overloaded with competition yet. Bookbeam also shows you estimated monthly sales and royalties, which is a huge time saver. And if you're using the Chrome extension, you can see exactly how much money each product is making on Amazon. Free method. If you're not ready to invest in paid tools yet, here's a free alternative. First, download the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension. Next, head over to Amazon and search for broad topics like coloring books. Now here's the catch. You want to find a niche with less than 1,000 results. If you see more than that, like 70,000 for coloring books, you'll need to dig deeper. Look for sub-niches, such as stress relief coloring books or food and snacks coloring books. These are smaller categories with less competition. Once you find a sub-niche, use the extension to check the BSR, bestseller rank, of the top books. Your goal is to find 5 to 10 books with a BSR of 100,000 or below. If you can do that, congratulations, you've found a niche worth pursuing. Step 6. Designing the Scissor Skills book. All right, now for the fun part, designing the actual book. Don't worry if you've never designed anything before, we're going to make this super easy. We'll be using Canva, an amazing and free design tool. Start by creating a new design with the dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. Then, you can either design your own graphics or, like me, generate images using AI tools like Mid-Journey. I use prompts like minimalistic cute cat icon in kawaii style to create fun graphics for the first level. Once you've got your images, here's how to set up each level. Level 1. Use simple shapes and lines to create a border and place your image in the middle. Add dashed lines to show where the child should cut. Level 2. Make things a little more challenging by introducing more complex shapes like circles or triangles. Level 3. Generate larger, more detailed images and add intricate cutting lines to really challenge the kids. And don't forget, after every cutting page, add a blank page so the designs don't get ruined when kids cut through the paper. Step 7. Designing the cover. Once the inside pages are complete, we need to design the cover. This is your book's first impression, so make it count. I went with something simple, using elements from the book itself and bold, easy-to-read fonts. Nothing too flashy, but it stands out. Step 8. Uploading to Amazon KDP. With the book fully designed, we're ready to upload it to Amazon KDP. If you need help with the upload process, don't worry. I've got a separate video walking you through the entire process, so check that out if you're new to KDP. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we've taken an idea, turned it into a fully designed book, and are ready to publish. Final thoughts. Starting a KDP business is one of the best ways to create passive income, and the best part is, you're in control. You get to decide what niche to enter, how to design your products, and how to stand out from the crowd. And remember, it's all about consistency. Keep learning, keep improving, and before you know it, you could be seeing some serious returns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now for more tips, tutorials, and strategies to help you grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.